Squid Chase is a platformer game developed using Godot. And what the game is about is that we have a player. It can move here and there. And what we have to do is we have to collect all these apples within each layer of stone. And if you collect all the apples, basically you will win the game. And there will be a score for each of the apples that you collect. And if by chance you collide with an enemy, basically that will end the game. So to create this game, I have developed a few scenes. So the game starts with the title screen, and then it moves on to the main scene where we have the player, the layer of stones, and also the apples and enemies. And also there's a display of score. So to create the game logic, I have designed these scripts. So the title screen script will basically load the main scene after a few seconds. And in the main scene, we have the logic where it checks for all the apples within the scene. And if there are no apples left, it will basically change the scene to the win screen. And we have the player logic where it defines all the movements and also collisions with the enemy. Basically, if you collide with an enemy, you die. And if you collide with an apple, that means you collect those apples. So you emit a signal, and according to this signal, it will update the score value in our score label script. So this is the logic to update the score. And then we have the logic for the enemy where they are defined to move in each direction. And also the script for the apples where it floats on the stones. And if you collide with a player, basically you remove the node from the screen. If you collect all the apples, basically you will move to the win screen, and it displays that you won. And if you collide with an enemy, the game over screen will be shown.